Hello lovies, welcome back again with another video from your girl Beauty Bits. I am going to show you how I get my beautiful boho braids done. So I used one pack of super teasy braids, and I also used one bundle of the boho braids that I showed you guys in the first part of the video. And the boho braids, it was so thick, the boho bundles, I mean, it was so thick, so I didn't even need two bundles. I just used one bundles, and I will also leave the link down below in the description for you guys to purchase it if you want to get yours. So as you guys see, I started braiding, but first when I started braiding, I braided my hair. I actually braided it like 5 times. Then I added a piece of the boho braids at the upper part of the hair, and I continue adding the boho braids. In some part of the hair I added 5 piece, some part section I added 4, I added 5, 6. It depends on how you want to get it done or how thick you want your braids to be on your head. So after I finish, I make sure that I cut away the excess hair, because you know, once there are little pieces of hair sticking out, it will poke you through the clothes, and I did not want that. I know what it feels like. So this hair, I think it took me like three days. Yes, it took me 3 days, and if I was not stopping during the time of braiding my hair, it would have taken me like maybe a 1.5 day to get it done. But I had to stop and get stuff done. I had to move around the house. Yes, I had stuff to get done. But anyhow, I hope that you guys are enjoying my video and enjoy me braiding my hair. So after I finish the hair, I use hot water on the ends of the hair, and I put away the hair and use the towel, the damp towel, to moisturize the hair itself with the warm water so that the hair could actually get a bit soft. But I could not hot water the boho braids because you know, it will get, the curl would get loose and it will start getting nappy and it wouldn't look good. So when I finished, I make it sure that the hair is dried properly. I put my rods on it and use the warm water on the end as well, so I could get the curl on the ends. And when I was finished, like, I get so much comments on this hair. I am sorry with my voiceover, guys. I hope that you guys are enjoying my voiceover because I am not really good at it yet, but in the future I am pretty sure that I will become great with the voiceover. Anyway, as you can see, I was just cutting away the excess hair from the boho braids, and this was a very, like, the size of the braids, it was very small. So I'm going to demonstrate right here. So I plait the hair, as you can see, my natural hair at least 3 to 4 times. Then I added the boho braids to my hair, and I put it out of the way because I don't want to plait it in, and I continue plaiting down. Then I added another piece of boho braids because, as you can see at the back there, my hair is very long, so I did not need to add the braids itself yet. So I continue adding the boho braids. So the thing is, I was about to say something, but I don't quite remember. But anyhow, that is how it is sometimes. So I added the braid itself, which is a super TZ braids, and I continue to braid with my boho braids. Oh yes, and I remember what I was going to say. I added more braids in the middle of the hair. Reason being for that, because I wanted it to be thicker in the middle. On the side, it is actually thick on the side, but in the middle it's going to be bouncy, and on the side everything just going to combine with each other. So that's how I like to get it done. And I was impressed when I was finished. But anyhow, I am going to let you guys listen to some music in the background, and these music are mine. I created these music with my character called Luna Lore, so you guys can enjoy the music while I continue to braid my hair. And I hope that you enjoy my video, and if you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for future videos from your girl Beauty Bits, otherwise known as Shanique or Monique. And enjoy the rest of your day, and thank you for taking your time out to watch and listen and give your support. Thank you.
I can feel it in the air. Mercy humming through the atmosphere. Morning stitch my name in light. Hope awakened with the sunrise bright. I lift my voice before any fear. Faith has found a dwelling here. My footsteps bloom where doubt once lay. Grace keeps making room each day. I decree with an open heart, what heaven started will not depart. I speak life before I see, because the seed becomes the tree. I can feel it in the air. Blessings and prosperity everywhere. I can feel it in the air. What I desire comes gently to me. I receive abundance, I receive grace, I receive blessings faithfully. 1, 2, 3. Favor keeps on finding me. My tongue is a lantern, never a storm. Every promise keeps my spirit warm. I trade heavy echoes for songs of peace, and watch impossible mountains release. I water today with words of grace. Joy keeps smiling upon my face. Doors remember the sound of faith and open before I even wait. I speak kindness over my relationship. I speak healing over my family. I blessings over my children. I speak favor over my friends. I speak abundance over my home. The breath of heaven walks beside me. My heavenly Father never leaves me. He never forsakes me. He always guides me. My harvest already knows my name. My season is arriving without shame. I don't borrow fear, I don't rehearse defeat. I choose words that blossom, I choose thoughts that breathe. What I nourish will flourish. What I declare will draw near. I can feel it. I can feel it in the air. I can feel it in the air. I can feel it in the air. What I desire comes gently to me. I receive abundance, I receive victory, I receive blessings faithfully. 1, 2, 3. Favor keeps on finding